when I'm training people, and I can usually tell in the interview right away if they're going to work. Like Ryan, I fell in love with him. He was the first one I interviewed and I hired him. I mean, I didn't hire him that day, but I went through all the rest and he was just my favorite. So don't tell him I said, oh, there he is. But anyway, when I'm training, the first thing I tell my managers is you need to realize that we are here to provide a service. 90% of the people that come to us is because they're going through something major in their life. They're moving, stressful. Somebody has died, stressful, heartbreak. Somebody's getting a divorce. You know, the D's in storage. We always talk about that. So that is one of the first things. And my manager will say to me, I never thought about that. I didn't realize that. And another question I'll ask in interviews, have you stored before? Have you been a tenant? Yes.
Right.
What did you like? What did you not like? How familiar are you with it? Some people, well, I didn't really think about it, and so you have to deal with different personalities. And I tell my managers, I take a lot off their plates. We, I want them to rent units and I want them to answer the phone and I want them to give a really good customer experience.
Hmm.
They're not making phone calls for late notices. We use late to lean for all that. They're not mowing the grass and they're not pulling weeds and they're not spraying pest control. They are answering the phones and taking care of customers, doing the marketing. You have to pay them well. You have to treat them well. You have to let them feel like they're part of everything. And you have to tell them when you're struggling.